Have you ever wondered what life would look like if you shrunk down to the size of a teacup? Well, want to know more? Let's shrink down together and I'll show you guys my dollhouse.
Hello everyone, my name is Suzie. Welcome to my house. So this door doesn't open, you open it like this. Every single time when I want to go inside the house, Big People helps me to open the door. So when you go in, the first thing you see is the kitchen. I'm currently baking biscuits. And I have this beautiful shelf, and I love collecting cute cups. Please sit here. Welcome to my house. Let's eat some scones and biscuits together. This is my little stove, perfect for staying warm in the winter. Now, let's go upstairs. This is my little sewing room. Sewing is my favorite hobby. At the moment, I'm preparing a few things for spring. Here are all my fabrics, threads, and sewing bits and pieces. I often sit here and enjoy a nice, cozy cup of coffee. Just next to this room is my bedroom. It's also where I keep all my little treasures. I simply love reading before I go to bed, and I often write in my little diary at the end of the day. Sometimes I like to make up my own little bedtime stories. Do come and visit again. Goodbye for now.